this video, we're learning about how to fix iCloud not receiving emails. So let's just get straight into the video. Couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem and a couple of ways you can go ahead and fix it. So first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your settings tab just like that. Then click on your profile name on the top over here. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for the iCloud storage right over here. Once you've done that, in this storage tab, you can simply go ahead and head to iCloud backup, and this is where you want to simply delete your previous backup right over here by clicking on turn off and delete from iCloud. Then you want to turn off backup this phone and then turn it on again. And the final thing you want to simply go ahead and do is simply head into your general settings, head into transfer or reset, click on reset and reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.